Bye-bye.
Bye, thank you very much.
Ingat. Ito, sila Briggs.
Bye-bye, una na kami. Hindi na kami nasama.
Wala ka ito eh. So mag-aalisan na. Sila lang pala aalis. Kami, kakain ba?
Bye-bye.
Yun, so ngayon, yun, actually birthday ni Sky. Pero ngayon, punta muna kami sa bahay nila Ina. Parang I think doon kami magla-lunch bago umuwi. Kasi marami pang natirang pagkain. Yan, sa medyo malayo lang tayo nakapark. Dahil dito, punuan na. Pero kanina, doon na ba kayo mga bata? Diyan, malapit. Ayun, pasok na tayo dahil medyo malamig. Yan na. Grabe, lamig sa Canada.
Dalawa bahay niya. A and B.
Hindi ka pwede. Yung isang bahay namin may pusa.
O, ganun.
Tapos amin may
Ano, Ina? Nakapag-live kayo?
Oo, kakatapos
Talaga?
ko lang. Nakapajamas pa ako. Okay, okay.
Manatira.
Ala, Dolimar, hindi ako babahon.
Yan, tapos na kami kumain. And uwi na rin kami in a while.
Sharon!
Yeah, yan. Balot-balot na. Yung dami pa kasi na yun. Natirang pagkain.
Ali.
Pero ate, ganun ba talaga dito? Kapag may kainan?
Kailangan mag-Sharon.
Kailangan mag-Sharon? Or pang Pilipino lang yun?
Ang Pilipino.
Pang Pilipino lang.
Ano yung tatlo yung kinuha natin?
So, si Jamie.
Ano yun? Barbecue.
Yung happy birthday.
Wala, biyahe na.
Thank you.
4 na oras ulit.
Magbabalik kayo next.
Yeah. Next time.
Next time.
Jimmy!
Happy birthday advance. My long lost brother. Thank you for driving all the way here.
Bye, Sarah! Bye, guys!
Hey, happy birthday pala ulit.
Siya.
Yan, uwi na kami.
Balik kayo dito.
Let's go.
Hey, you too.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Ayun, alis na kami. Although medyo hindi nga kami nakapag-ikot-ikot dahil yun, nag-snow. And baka lamigin nga kasi mga bata dahil riverside siya. Ito, ang dami naming iuwi na pagkain. Kaya baka mahulog. Oh.
Mahulog na yan. Kaya nga sa...
Where's our car?
Yan, biyahe na uli kami. So more or less nga around 4 hours uli. Ayan, dito na kami sa bahay. So almost 4 hours din yung biyahe namin. Pero si Jamie, sabi niya ayaw daw muna niya mag-ayos. Gusto muna niya matulog sandali.
Kaya nga, kaya lang bago tayo matulog, pwede na ba natin
I-unbox yung kay Sky?
gusto niya na kasi makita. I mean, gusto ko na makita niya bago tayo matulog.
Oo, kasi itong dalawang bata. Ayan, buong biyahe, tulog sila. Kaya ngayon may energy pa.
Thank you
Ako,
Tito Briggs.
ano na, parang lumulutang na yung isip ko.
Kadiri.
Dahil kagabi, parang 5 hours lang ata ako natulog.
Oo nga, totoo niya. Happy birthday, Skyler! Carefully open your gift.
Yan. Itong gift na to, bigay ito ni
Briggs.
tsaka ni Itzel.
Kuya Neo, that's Kuya Neo's gift for you. What do you say, love?
Thank you.
Say thank you.
Wow!
Everything out now.
God.
Oh, what's that?
Are you happy now? Happy now?
Ninja Turtle.
Okay.
You know how to read?
Okay, read it.
Read it.
That's Enzo's gift for you.
Oh, Enzo, you read it.
I'll go.
You read it to Sky.
I'll go.
Oh, it is.
Big sky.
And then?
And then?
I'll go.
Now will you read it?
Go read it.
Now you read
Okay,
it.
so it says here, I wish you a happy birthday, Sky, and what did you say? What's this?
Love you.
Wow. Good. I love you, Sky, and have a good day at your birthday. Yay! Are you happy, Sky? Oh, happy birthday, Sky. Okay, are you happy already or still want more gifts? You want more gifts? Ah, good. Okay. What have you been praying for as a gift for your birthday?
iPad.
iPad, are you ready? Can you open our gift?
It's so big.
Wow!
So big.
It has tape.
Yes,
Yes.
it does.
You want me to open it? Yeah. You want me to help? Yeah.
Wow.
It looks like a book.
A book?
Oh, it's not a book.
What is it then?
Check inside.
Wait, mommy will help you open it so the box won't.
Is that tape?
No.
It's a new.
Pull it out. Pull it
It's
out.
a new. It's a new case for your old iPad.
You like the case, right? Is that okay?
Yeah, I'm gonna open it.
Open it.
Oh, you're happy with that?
You're happy na? Wait,
Yo, it looks so sick.
so sick. Wow.
Oh.
Ah!
Careful. Okay.
I got your
iPad.
Okay.
Oh, here's your iPad. Yay!
Yay!
iPad for your birthday.
Hey, it don't fit.
It doesn't fit? Oh no.
Someone put this for me on.
Oh.
You can put it in.
Someone put it in for me.
We'll have to return the iPad case. It doesn't fit.
It does. We're turning our money.
Yeah. Can you close your eyes? Come on, close your
Close
eyes.
your eyes.
And wish for
I'm
your
gonna count
birthday.
1, 2, 3.
Go, close your eyes. In 3, 2, 1.
1.
Happy birthday, guys!
Where did you get that from? It's so expensive.
What's this?
It says apple.
It's an apple. What is
It's
it?
an iPad.
Oh, what color do you want? Huh?
Blue.
Green.
Ganito ba to?
Si mami na nag-open.
Sige, so sa kanya ka pa open?
It says.
Sige, okay, pull it to the
Look
side.
right.
Oh, Aya's helping you open it. Okay, how about this one here? Pull it to this. Let him open it. Let him open it. Then go.
Wow.
Amazing. Okay, let's try.
I can't see.
Si Enzo.
Paano ba
Wait,
hulog naman?
wait, Enzo, wait.
It has a-
Wait, don't see it.
I think I can see it.
Wow.
Hey, wait. Okay.
Bro.
Wow. Wait. Okay. That it will fit, no?
It doesn't fit like your
Wait.
But it's still working.
How do you feel that you have a new
We have a new charger.
Answer. Is this yours or mine?
My.
How do you feel that it's yours? You have an iPad that's working now. Are you happy? Are you super happy that you're gonna hug and kiss mommy and daddy and thank them?
Huh?
Mommy, this be my charger.
Yes, but let's not open it because we do have chargers for you now.
1,000 chargers. Thank you, Mommy and Daddy.
Look.
Wow.
It stands up.
Hey, it has percent.
Yes, it's charged.
Play.
Sky, it's charging.
Ah. Okay, let me do it. Okay.
Yan,
Okay,
naglalaro itong dalawa.
I don't watch it.
Itong nanay, sinaset up yung bagong iPad ni Sky. So, iPad ngayon niregalo namin kay Sky. Kasi ito yung luma niya. Actually, sobrang tagal na nito. Kasi yung history nito, kay Jamie talaga to, ginamit niya sa trabaho. Nung nasa Pilipinas pa siya. And then, nung hindi na kailangan ni Jamie to, pinamana niya na kay Enzo. So, parang ilang taon din ginamit ni Enzo to. And then, nagkaroon ng bagong iPad si Enzo. So, ito naman yung pinamana niya kay Sky. So, right now, ang naging problema namin dito is yung charger niya. Kaya naisipan namin na bilhan na lang siya ng updated na iPad. So, mukhang masaya naman si Sky sa gift namin. Ikaw, masaya ka ba sa naging gift mo?
Oo naman. Ito nga, sineset up ko na sa laro ko.
Laro mo talaga. Yun, pero kami dalawa ni Jamie, medyo pagod na nga kami and gusto na namin matulog. Kaya siguro hanggang dito na muna uli. So again, thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!